Hi friends, welcome to our channel, and today we will dive into the world of technology which is not weak enough to facilitate the life of mankind. Introducing AutoAgri, an innovative Norwegian firm on the brink of transforming the agricultural landscape with its cutting-edge autonomous cargo robot. This robotic marvel, boasting a hefty payload capacity of approximately 4,409.2 pounds, is poised to revolutionize how agricultural materials are transported. It can effortlessly ferry seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, and various other vital resources, thanks to its adaptable design compatible with various attachments, making it a versatile ally for farmers. What's more, AutoAgri boldly asserts that their creation has the potential to slash transportation costs by a staggering 60%. Not content with just that, this marvel is fortified with a state-of-the-art sensor system, enabling it to operate flawlessly in any weather conditions, come rain or shine. And here's the real kicker. AutoAgri is now offering pilot robots for lease. To delve deeper into the realm of possibilities this autonomous cargo robot brings to the table, don't hesitate to pay a visit to AutoAgri's official website. Uncover a future where farming meets cutting-edge technology. Pecan Gull Wilg. In the Netherlands, where space is scarce, farmers often use wide tractors that can be problematic on narrow public roads. To address this issue, a team at Pecan has developed an innovative wheel doubling system for tractors. This system uses hydraulics to lift and secure the rear wheels behind the tractor's cabin, effectively reducing its width. It's user-friendly with a simple button in the cabin and has safety features to prevent wheel adjustments when they're in contact with the ground. Apart from space-saving advantages, the system helps prevent soil compaction, benefiting crop health, and enhances tractor maneuverability in tight spaces, such as orchards and vineyards. Although it's still in development, this technology has the potential to revolutionize farming by making equipment transport easier, safer, and more eco-friendly. Komatsu MC51. Komatsu's new MC51 mining rig is turning heads in the industry. The machine, which was recently unveiled at the MinExpo International Exhibition, features a 5-axis robotic boom and Dynacat technology for controlled rock cutting. The robotic boom allows the operator to control the cutting head with extreme precision, while Dynacat technology reduces wear and tear on the equipment and improves safety. This combination of features makes the MC51 capable of reaching previously inaccessible deposits and using methods that are not possible with traditional drilling and blasting. In tests conducted in Canada, the MC51 achieved a cutting speed of 111 feet per shift, which is comparable to the performance of traditional equipment. This suggests that the MC51 has the potential to revolutionize the mining industry by making it safer, more efficient, and more environmentally friendly. Rettungsstreppe E5000. Rettungsstreppe, a leading manufacturer of firefighting equipment, has developed a new series of rescue ladders that could revolutionize the way airplane passengers are evacuated in the event of an emergency. The ladders, called the E5000 and E8000, are designed to be quick and easy to deploy. They can be pre-programmed with the model of aircraft being evacuated, allowing them to automatically adjust to the correct height and angle. This saves precious time in a life or death situation. The ladders are also equipped with retractable supports and an automatic leveling system, ensuring stability even on uneven surfaces. The Rettungsstreppe rescue ladders are a valuable tool for airport fire departments and other organizations responsible for the safety of airplane passengers. They could help to save countless lives in the event of an emergency. Unimog U400-500s. German automaker Mercedes-Benz is known for its luxury cars, But the company also produces a line of versatile vehicles called Unimog. Unimogs are designed to be used for a variety of tasks, including snow removal, roadwork, forestry, and even beekeeping. The Unimog is essentially a platform that can be configured to meet the specific needs of the user. The vehicle is available in a variety of sizes and configurations, including different wheelbases, engines, and cabs. For example, the Unimog 218 has a wheelbase of 28 feet, a 177 horsepower engine, and a top speed of 55 miles per hour. The vehicle also features a number of innovative features, such as the Vario Pilot system, which allows the driver to move the steering wheel to the left or right side of the cab. The Unimog is a valuable tool for a variety of industries. The vehicle is known for its durability, reliability, and versatility. A Mobus Faltauflieger. Introducing the Mobus folding trailer, a Swiss marvel that's transforming the transportation sector across the USA. This innovative trailer boasts hydraulic folding capabilities, simplifying transportation and maneuvering even when it's empty. The result? Significant savings in fuel, costs, and time. What sets the Mobus folding trailer apart is its remarkable adaptability. It can be tailor-made to cater to the unique requirements of any customer, whether it's a straightforward flatbed trailer or a sophisticated assembly with a crane manipulator. Picture this: a Mobus folding trailer designed specifically for scaffolding transportation. It effortlessly folds into a compact form, enabling easy navigation through tight urban streets and alleys. Once on site, it swiftly unfurls, making it a breeze to transport scaffolding to the intended destination. For businesses dealing with hefty or oversized cargo, the Mobus folding trailer is a game-changing asset. Bergmann Dumper C815S. Meet the Bergmann C815S, a German-made construction workhorse now available for American job sites. With an articulated frame and a hefty 26 pounds payload capacity, it offers versatility across 3 distinct models. What sets it apart is the driver-friendly cabin featuring a rotating platform for full visibility. Its 16.9-inch or 16.7-inch, depending on the model, ground clearance makes it ideal for off-road applications. The C815S sports an eco-friendly and efficient Cummins engine, easy to maintain without compromising power or fuel efficiency. Plus, its 180-degree rotating body simplifies material unloading in any direction. In a nutshell, the Bergmann C815S is the dependable, versatile dump truck your construction site needs. Comfortable, powerful, and fuel efficient. CMC Apollo Generation 2, the Italian CMC Industries. Apollo Gen 2 is a bird harvester that's revolutionizing the poultry industry. With its ability to quickly and safely collect and load up to 12,000 birds per hour, the Apollo Gen 2 can help poultry farmers save time, labor, and money. The Apollo Gen 2 is equipped with a number of features that make it the most advanced bird harvester on the market. Its soft start and stop system helps the birds keep their balance, and its overall design is optimized for quick and easy weekly cleaning. But what really sets the Apollo Gen 2 apart from other bird harvesters is its commitment to animal welfare. The entire loading and stacking process is completely automated, eliminating human contact and reducing the risk of injury to the birds. Holland Broad 11.90X Multi. New Holland Agricultural, a global leader in farming machinery, introduces its latest orchard harvester, a symbol of innovation. This powerful harvester operates at speeds of up to 2.5 miles per hour in olive orchards, twice as fast as many competitors, enabling efficient large-scale harvesting. With a 5,000-gallon hopper, it offers extended operation between unloading, saving time, and enhancing productivity. Equipped with a robust 182 horsepower engine, it can reach speeds of up to 15.5 miles per hour on the road. facilitating easy transportation between orchards. Operator comfort is a priority with an air-conditioned cabin, air-suspended seat, and standard LED lighting for top-notch visibility in all conditions. The New Holland Orchard Harvester redefines agricultural efficiency and operator satisfaction. Remu Big Float E15. Introducing the Remu E15, a versatile amphibious excavator built for year-round operation on water and in swampy terrains. This powerhouse is your ultimate solution for tackling challenging tasks in the most demanding environments. With a robust engine and a sturdy hard-ox steel frame, the E15 is equipped to reach depths of up to 16 feet and hoist an impressive 24 tons. It's engineered to handle the toughest jobs with ease. Transporting the E15 is a breeze thanks to its adjustable features that allow it to narrow down to a width of just 9 feet. This means you can load it onto a trailer and transport it to any job site hassle-free. Whether you're engaged in construction, land clearing, or responding to natural disasters, count on the Remu E15, the amphibious excavator that's ready to tackle any task, no matter the conditions. Twin DT4 Shaker. Discover the versatile Toll Incorporated Shaker, a game changer for nut harvesting. This machine is your go-to solution for gathering almonds, pistachios, walnuts, and various tree nuts. It operates by delicately clamping onto the tree trunk using a mechanical paw and shaking the crop into designated sections. The shaker is suitable for trees with trunks up to 14 inches in diameter, and it's equipped with a 99 or 150 horsepower diesel engine for robust performance. Safety is paramount with its automatic braking system, ensuring secure operation even on steep slopes. Utilizing a shaker for nut harvesting not only cuts costs, but also minimizes debris and dirt in the harvested crop. Transporting this machine is a breeze, with a width of up to 9.8 feet and adjustable ground clearance. AgZeed Agbot 2 055W3. Introducing the AgZeed Autonomous Robot Tractor, a cutting-edge innovation hailing from the Netherlands. This high-tech marvel is a true game changer, offering versatile capabilities with a range of attachments, including a spray boom equipped with 16 nozzles. The standard configuration of this tractor boasts a 75 horsepower engine, delivering a top speed of approximately 8.4 miles per hour. With a wheelbase spanning 94.5 inches, it's a well-balanced powerhouse. Driving its precision is the Genesis RTK system, offering movement control with an impressive accuracy of 0.98 inches. The AgZeed software tool serves as the command center, granting users access to critical data for assessing work efficiency, viewing live feed from the tractor's camera, and creating task combinations that maximize productivity. Thanks for watching the video to the end. If you liked it, please rate this video with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Our commitment entails delivering fresh content on a daily basis, curated to enrich your understanding of the domains encompassing heavy equipment, construction machinery, state-of-the-art technologies, and a myriad of related subjects. See you soon.